How to delete Snapchat group I created. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete the Snapchat group you created. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat. Let me create a group first to show you how to delete it. So now I have created a group. To delete the group, tap on the group name, then tap on these three dots. As of right now, Snapchat does not have the feature to delete group chats, but you can indirectly delete the group chat. Here's how. First, tap on Clear Conversation. Find and open the group again. Tap on the group name and the three dots, then tap on the Cancel Invite Links and leave the group. Because there is no option to delete the group chat, this is what we can do. So this is how you can delete the Snapchat group you created.